welcome to Terminal B of Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. If you come into Terminal B from the tram, it will put you right in the center of the food court, which is phenomenal. And then if you go to the right or left, you'll find other food options. But if you really need a bathroom, take a right and they'll be right on your left. So let's go check out Terminal B. What a cluster that was coming through customs. Wasn't too bad because we have global entry, but dealing with the bags, and then somebody wanted to bring back some bottles from the duty free, and because one of the bottles wasn't see-through, they made us check it, but we already had checked bags that were already gone, so we had to rearrange everything and throw it into my backpack and check my backpack. So now to go get to concourse B. So when you come in from a foreign trip, you're going to come into Terminal E. If you have to go to anything other than E, you need to come down the escalator and there'll be a train. So F will be on your left, and then every other thing will be on your right. flying anywhere to the East Coast on Delta, you're more than likely going to come to Terminal B here in Atlanta, because Atlanta is their hub. So Terminal B and a lot of Terminal E for their international flights are tied up with Delta flights. So if you're flying Delta to Europe or that area, then you're probably going to be in Terminal E. And you might land in B. Then you got to take the train to E. I hope you can see what I was trying to do. I was trying to be funny. But anyway, as you can see, there's a lot of shops. Each side has bathrooms. Each side has ample restaurants. Each side even has those minute suites. So if you're looking for something to eat, drink, read, or you need a nap or a business center to work in, they have you covered here in Terminal B. Now, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more airports, more destinations, more cruises that I take in the coming months.